Today's video is about our experience at the Waterfall Restaurant in Chennai, Vadapalani. I've put the exact location in the description box below. This restaurant houses magnificent waterfalls of 20 feet and provides a natural and serene atmosphere for a perfect family outing. Their menu includes food from all over India and also some popular Chinese recipes. We went to the Waterfall Restaurant for lunch on a bright sunny day, and there was traffic noise everywhere. But as soon as we walked into this restaurant, the ambience completely changed. The restaurant was low lit, the background music was very pleasant, and the waterfall itself was very relaxing to watch. And the best part, we couldn't hear any traffic noise from the outside. To start off with, we had veg clear soup, which was very tasty, and then I ordered veg biryani with malai kofta, and they served a huge portion. Really loved the malai kofta, it was very tasty. And we had also ordered the veg thali and paneer butter masala, which both were very tasty. And to end all of this, we had an amazing mango milkshake and also carrot halwa, which we all shared between the four of us. One thing I loved about this restaurant is the portion sizes. They're large and generous, but it is something that you should keep in mind so that you can order accordingly. To sum it up, it's a very lovely restaurant, and as a family we had a great time. It's great for families as well as for couples, for non-vegetarians and for vegetarians. So do try it out and enjoy. Like, share and subscribe to Rajati's Family Kitchen. And follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.